Microsoft just said something that might surprise you. 16 GB RAM is no longer enough for a worry-free gaming experience on Windows 11. Now, they're pushing 32 GB as the new safe zone. For years, gamers have debated this. Is 16 GB enough, or do you actually need more? Well, in 2026, Microsoft has finally given a clear answer. And it changes everything for PC gamers. Microsoft says 16 GB is still the baseline. But 32 GB is now what they call a no-worries upgrade. That means, if you want smooth gaming without thinking about RAM issues, 32 GB is the new standard. Now here's the real reason. It's not just about games getting heavier. It's everything running in the background. Think about your setup. You've got Discord running. A browser with multiple tabs open. Game launchers like Steam or Epic Games Launcher. And streaming tools like OBS Studio. All of these use RAM, fast. And here's something most people don't realize. Modern Windows apps are now web-based. Even system features rely on Chromium technology like Microsoft Edge WebView2. That means more background processes, and more memory usage, even when your PC is idle. Now look at modern AAA games. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, and Hogwarts Legacy already recommend 16 GB RAM. But that's only for the game itself. Once you add background apps, your system starts running out of memory. So what happens with 16 GB? You get stutters, lag spikes, and background apps interfering with your gameplay. But with 32 GB, you get smoother multitasking, more stable performance, and no interruptions. Now here's the downside. RAM prices are rising. And users are slowly being pushed to upgrade. Not just because of games, but because everything else is consuming more memory too. The good news: Microsoft is working on fixing this. They're bringing back native apps to reduce memory usage and improve performance. Even Satya Nadella admitted that Windows needs to become faster and lighter. So here's the truth. 16 GB is still usable. But 32 GB is the new comfort zone. Not because games demand it, but because your entire system does. If you're building a gaming PC in 2026, you need to think beyond just the game. Subscribe for more real tech updates. And I'll see you in the next one.